In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to create a new dashboard in ClickUp 2026. We'll start inside ClickUp at the level where your work lives. Open the list. You want to report on within your team space in your workspace. Beginning from the right place matters because your dashboard will pull its data based on where you are and what you choose next. So make sure you're in the correct space and list for your team. Next, move into the Dashboards area. Use the left sidebar to open dashboards, or use the top navigation to switch views if you're already inside a list. Once you're in the Dashboard section, you'll see template categories that make setup faster. Choose Time Tracking to bring in widgets designed to show tracked time, billable hours, and how effort is distributed across tasks or assignees. This is especially useful if your team logs time in ClickUp and you need visibility on workload or utilization. Confirm your selection when prompted so those widgets are included in the new dashboard. You can also add task management to include widgets like task lists, charts, and workload summaries. Selecting multiple categories lets you build a mixed dashboard that covers both productivity and time insights in one place. Again, confirm any prompts so these components are included. Now choose the team space where this dashboard will live. Saving it to the right space ensures the correct people can see it based on existing permissions. If you collaborate across teams, pick the most relevant space to keep access simple and consistent. Confirm your selection when asked. Create the dashboard to finalize the setup. At this point, give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates can recognize its purpose at a glance. If you plan to reuse the structure later, consider a naming convention that makes sense for your organization. Once it's created, open Customize to tailor the layout. You can rearrange widgets, resize panels, and fine-tune what each module displays. So the most important information is always above the fold. Keep the layout clean and scannable to speed up weekly reviews and stand-ups. Head into Filters to refine the data. Filtering is where the dashboard becomes truly relevant to your goals. Choose the field you want to filter by, then set it to focus on what matters most. For example, select Priority and filter to High to spotlight urgent work and ensure nothing critical slips through the cracks. You can always adjust filters later as your needs evolve, but starting with a clear, high-impact view helps your team act quickly. And that's it. You've created a focused ClickUp dashboard, selected the right templates, placed it in the correct team space, customized the layout, and filtered it to highlight high-priority work.